In Christchurch, Tamara Forbes, our Community Liaison Coordinator, can help you find a rest home or hospital that best suits your particular needs. Tamara can also help with dementia care. Meet Tamara.
Well, we can visit the client at home or in any public hospital, and that helps with the stress of the whole thing in terms of moving into residential care, and it can assist them in terms of any questions they might have. Because often it's a difficult time when you try to remember what all those health professionals have told you, and you just need some of that reiterating, really. So we can do home visits, we can do visits in Christchurch Public Hospital, we can visit Princess Margaret Hospital, anywhere that the client really feels at ease in terms of talking about what's going to happen to them. We can advise them on residential care subsidies. We can often facilitate married couples within our residential facilities. We try and get logistics right for the family. For instance, someone may be living in Papanui, so we know which homes are close to the Papanui area. So we would identify the resident who needs the assistance first, and who the members of the family are that live within the city, and who are the closest members of the family in terms of assisting with maybe viewing a residential facility. And we would talk to those clients and their families either at the public hospitals or again at their homes. We may have a family member who lives in Australia who just needs a bit of support, and we can talk to them via the phone or email them. We can certainly send them information, and we always work with those members of the family to assist the clients. They may have a husband or wife who have been married for a long time. They may have both been assessed at 2 different levels of care and require residential care. So we do our utmost to work with the families and the needs assessors to have those 2 residents in the same care home, if not in the same room, in the same wing. So we just always try and get them to stay together.
Tamara can also help with respite care, temporary care so that carers can recharge themselves.
Had a lovely family ring and request a home visit to clarify what we could do for their mother when they go away at Christmas time. So I rang the client and the son and arranged a time. We met yesterday at home. Our client has dementia but is absolutely delightful, has a lovely family that support her. They need a break at Christmas time. So we talked about the care homes, what was available, and we've now arranged a home visit for her, which will take place next week. And she was very at ease at the end of the visit, despite her very short-term memory loss. We had some fun, and the family were happy.
Tamara can also help ease the strain and complication of the process and paperwork required to move into a care home.
Once we've established what the needs are and they are going to come into one of the care homes, the transition we try and make very easy for them. And we do just reiterate with the client how that works. We support the families in completing subsidy applications if we need to, and we have some very competent staff to do that. There is a lot involved in terms of paperwork for families and understanding that process, so we give them information and full assistance with that.
If you would like to meet with Tamara, please call 0800 60 80 99 and ask for Tamara.